there's been a development now because the action that is now being sought against the rioters there. Let's get you this breaking development. This is now coming across as far as the action initiated by the STF or the Special Task Force that has apprehended an individual by the name of Ziaul, who is said to be one who is accused allegedly of leading a mob responsible for the murders in Murshidabad. Authorities, meanwhile, what is being said, Tejasri has confirmed his involvement after identifying him through the CCTV footages. Can you tell us about, is this an arrest, a detention? What has taken place?
Well, you see, there are a number of arrests that have taken place as far as the Murshidabad violence is concerned. But if we talk about the killing of the father-son duo, then yes, significant arrests have been made in this entire case. But what we are learning to the latest is that an individual has been arrested on the basis of CCTV footage that was gathered by the police. And in fact, I will also tell you the name of that individual. He's as of now apprehended by the Special Task Force, and he is Ziaul SK, who is a 45-year-old resident of Suitala, Purbapara. Remember that Suitala is also a nearby area close to Murshidabad, and in fact particularly that village Dulyan itself. And in fact he is in fact accused for leading a mob responsible for the murder of the father-son duo, because in fact in the CCTV and the other videos also we saw that it was not just 10 or 15 group of people. There was a mob in fact, and we also showed in our report that how these mob entered and then they divided themselves in different groups, in different segments. So this particular mob that was led by this particular individual who has been apprehended by the Special Task Force, by the STF. So he has been apprehended. Now investigation will continue. He will be questioned so as to what was the main motive behind the murder, and in fact why did he kill the father-son duo in this entire violence.
So STF, that means that it is their own Special Task Force who has been conducting when it comes to the investigation, because we've just read out what the Chief Minister has to say. Tejasri, she continues to put the blame and divert it to the other side as far as the opposition in the state is concerned. But in reality, when it comes to the police on ground, what action till now it has been initiating?
Well, you see, as far as the state police is concerned, then yes, more than 280 arrests have been made in this entire case. More than 60 FIRs have been registered. Several complaints have been filed. Yes, the investigation is underway. Minute by minute, the CCTV cameras, the footages are also being monitored. And on the basis of those footages, in fact, the investigation is continuing. And in fact, also what we learned from our sources is that police have also got, in fact, evidence in its initial investigation that there could be involvement of PFI members in this entire case. So PFI members were also active meanwhile, and also not just PFI but its associates as well. And also what we learned was that the SDPI could also the members of SDPI could also have been involved in this entire violence.
In Murshidabad that has happened, especially that of a father-son duo, this seems to be a big development that is now breaking currently on Times Now. This is action that has been initiated by the STF or the Special Task Force that seems to have apprehended an individual who allegedly is the one who led when it comes to the violent mob at the houses of those who were murdered, and especially many of the Hindu families who were forced to flee. Tejasri, thank you very much for the moment for joining in. Now, speaking of when it comes to the ground reports that we have been getting, especially at a time when the situation has not come back to normalcy, this is a story of India's broken heart. Charred rooftops that can be seen, burnt books, shattered homes, women who are screaming for justice and also seeking protection. When they can actually go back to their home, the story, the future still remains uncertain.
We've shown you the pictures of the houses that have been set ablaze. Now we'll show you the picture of a floor mill one by one, that not just in the exterior but how deep they can go to burn in anger this entire mob. One by one we'll show you that. See, the gate is broken over here. Now we'll try to enter inside this entire area. We'll have to certainly be careful, but Times Now focuses on giving you ground zero report from the most sensitive critical zone, because see, it is difficult to report from here because this certainly can fall at any point of time. Now we'll show you that this was the machine. This was a floor mill. You can see the grains in my hand. This was a floor mill, viewers, which is now which is now nothing because they have nothing left with them. This was the place where this wheat was churned and turned into आटा. भैया यहाँ पर क्या था? यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं सब रखा हुआ है यहाँ पे आगे इधर आइए, आगे हमारे साथ आइए, इस तरफ आइए. यहाँ बताइए यहाँ पर क्या क्या रखा हुआ था यहाँ पे?
यहाँ पर हमारा चावल था, आटा का मिल था, हल्दी था, सब उड़ा दिया. मशीन सब उड़ा दिया है.
मशीन उड़ा दिया, चावल का आटा, गेहूं सब खराब कर दिया.
आलू था, सब उड़ा दिया है उन लोगों ने.
ये मशीन अब पूरी खराब हो गई है, कभी चालू नहीं
कभी चालू नहीं होगी. ये
कितने की आती है ये मशीन?
ये बहुत कीमती है.
कितने का आता है?
बहुत दाम है इसका.
बहुत महंगा आता है. अब आपके पास कुछ नहीं बचा है?
कुछ नहीं है. हम रोज का रोटी दुकान से ले जाते हैं, रन्ना करते थे. अब कुछ नहीं रहा हमारे पास. ये भगवान का मूर्ति थे.
सी अगेन वील शो यू द विजुअल्स. हो ये देखिए, सबसे पहले तो ये दिखाइए कि दिस एंटायर मीटर, ये मीटर था पूरा जिसे जला दिया गया है, राइट? ये इलेक्ट्रिक
मीटर था, मिल का मीटर था.
इतना भयानक हुआ कि ये मीटर भी जल गया.
हाँ, पूरा जला दिया था इन लोगों ने.
ये पूरा मीटर जला दिया. ध्यान से. अब हाँ, आगे आइए, उसको धक्का मत लगाइए, इधर आइए. ये देखिए, ये मूर्ति रखी है भगवान की यहाँ पर. हालांकि दीज आर द वेरी डिस्टर्बिंग पिक्चर्स एंड द विजुअल्स, बट व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू शो एंड कन्वे इज दैट and ask question that indeed it was a targeted attack. The pictures reveal that. The pictures show that. We'll in fact move forward in this area and show that how this entire, this was a go down. Go down में क्या क्या रखा था?
शुगर, चावल, आटा सब रहता था यहाँ पर.
शुगर, चावल, आटा. यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर प्याज भी रखा हुआ है आगे की तरफ. इधर इस तरफ आइए.
इधर
दाल रखी हुई है.
इधर
ये भी जला दिया पूरा. मटके रखे थे वो भी जला दिए. वो देखिए, वो दिखाइए, तारे दिखाइए वहाँ पर.
यहाँ पर एक मीटर था, इधर ये भी जला दिया है. इधर पर मीटर था, ये भी जला दिया.
ये मीटर था, ये भी जला दिया. We'll in fact now move forward and show that what happens next to this particular mill. This is a day-to-day thing that they used to sell. These are the mud pots and the vessels, the matkas that you can see, the bottles. In fact, see the condition what it has become now. With great effort, it takes a great effort to prepare all these handmade bottles, but now they have all turned black into ashes. ये देखिए, this was the detergent powder. We are showing you just the condition so as to understand that what is the ground situation over here, and make you understand that it was not just one house, one family as being portrayed, that there were only some members, some family. There was a mob who came, who attacked, and it cannot be a work of 10 or 12 people as they are narrating that the individuals came from one end to the second and to the third. And this is what they did. यहाँ पे क्या था?
कोल्ड सब था, सब उड़ा दिया है.
सब जला दिया, सब उड़ा दिया.
मीटर जहाँ था सब उड़ा दिया है.
So what I can feel over here is just, the silence and in fact the tragedy that these people have to face. And in fact, this was a mill that's in fact converted into this entire, this was a mill in fact which is now turned into ashes.
It's just not one, but multiple stories of the victims of Murshidabad that we continue to get you from the ground zero there in West Bengal. With that, we head into a short break.